Recently, I helped some clients who were in a real tough financial situation. When it was all said and done, we were able to cash flow them a little over $4,500 a month and access to a line of credit into the future. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. So these clients came to me and things were a little bit rough in the last couple of years. There were some medical issues for the husband and actually a pet that really drained their savings in many ways. And in addition to that, it got them in debt with the home equity line of credit, as well as credit cards. The credit cards were quite high, as well as the home equity line of credit. Check this out. I'll show you the numbers, how they played out. Okay, here's the debt that my client had. They had a first mortgage with $225,000 balance, and their principal and interest payment was $2,151. They had a home equity line of credit. It had a balance of $105,000 with a payment of $1,078. They were able to pay off through the reverse mortgage $40,000 in revolving debt, credit card debt, that totaled $1,296 a month. They actually had closer to $80,000 in all debt. But here's the good news is after year one, they could attack that because you can only access a certain amount of that line of credit in the first year. So after year one, they had an additional $41,000 they could attack to really pay off the remainder of that credit card debt. But here's the other thing is their total cash flow by eliminating these debts was $4,525 a month. So they could certainly in the first 12 months save some money and attack that other debt that was remaining for the first 12 months and then pay off the remainder of it after the 12 months. We were able to accomplish this by the use of a reverse mortgage. The beautiful thing about the reverse mortgage is it allows somebody that is of the right age to tap into the equity in their home. And these particular clients had a strong equity position. One of their challenges was because of the credit card debt, they got behind on it and their credit scores were in the low 500s. That typically, I could never get somebody a forward mortgage based on those credit scores. And even your private money lenders shy away from that type of situation because they don't like doing primary residence. They prefer to do investment property. So they were really in a bind. And at the end of the day, we were able to consolidate all that debt, get them a line of credit into the future and really change their financial profile, because now what they'll be able to do, the borrower was actually still working and making some decent money. So now they can save money, put money away, build up those reserves again, pay down some of that credit card debt, and put themselves in a much better position 5-10 years down the line. So in closing, if you are of retirement age and might be a little bit tight on funds, or maybe you would like to access the equity that you have in your home for whatever purpose you desire, could be even travel, could be, grandkids' college education, really the funds and how they're used is determined by you. Be happy to run the numbers for you. Just let me know, reach out, and we'll see what's possible. Thank you.